Look, he's got both paws in it.
That's what she did earlier.
She keeps moving. Ah! She's like, okay, there's some. Look at him.
Nope, I want this one.
This is so funny.
He's slipping away.
They're gonna end up in your room pretty soon.
It's like, okay, I'll just drag some out and eat it on the ground. Oh my god.
Oh, he's eating it off the floor.
That's what I said.
Mitsubishi Electric gives you a more efficient way to cool heat and grow ductwork. Mitsubishi Electric Live better. Go to MitsubishiComfort.com.
Well done.